Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I have come up with a new videos. You need to watch the full video, don't skip the video, and please like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, you can comment us and please send your artwork, art videos in our WhatsApp number. Because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So here is Rath Yatra paper cutting craft part 1. There is part 2 video also, but before watching this video, go and watch our video basics of paper cutting craft. If you once watch and learn this basics of paper cutting craft, then you can be creative enough to make any craft with the papers. So here you needed a colorful A4 paper, 4 or 5 color, glue and scissors and a set of sketch pen, and this is a white A4 paper also. This is our white paper, this is the base. We will paste it this. So let's start. Now this is our white A4 paper and this is a scale. We have to draw a line in the middle of the paper. This middle line is the base line. Now we'll sketch our plan. This is what is our plan. Draw very light, don't have to draw dark because we are going to paste a paper on it. So here is a rectangle shapes we have drawn and there is a 2 wheel. We are going to draw a rath. So this is the paper cutting craft. Now this is square shapes. One more square. You can see the more it is getting up, the shapes is getting smaller. You can make 2 floor, even 3rd floor also. So here I have made a 3rd floor. 1, 2, 3. If you wish, you can make 2 floor even. Here I have drawn a 3 floor. You can see this is our planning. So here is our multicolored paper. You can use a 5, 6 color multicolored paper. So here I'm using marble paper, even a Fabriano sheets means A4 colorful paper. And now I'm taking this yellow color paper. You can choose any color as you like, it is up to you. So according to this size, at the bottom of our sketching and planning, there is a square shapes. Accordingly this size we have to cut out a square shapes. But as we have learned in our previous video that basic paper cutting craft, if you want to make a square, you have to first learn how to make a triangle shape. So I have folded my A4 paper in the middle. You can use your scissor to cut, even you can cut with the help of your scale if you can. But this is really big, I need small square. So fold it again. You can use your scale if you can. If you can't use your scale, you can use your scissors also. Now this is also big, we need more small. The square shapes you are cutting, or we are going to cut the square shapes, that has to be not a proper the same of our design. It should be almost same, not exact same but almost same. So this way you fold the paper, an extra portion after folding. Can you see I have folded this? Draw a line or use your scale to draw a line. So in rectangle shapes we have folded it diagonally. I have folded this. Now you can see the square shape is ready. So now you can see it is not exact in size but almost is fine. It is almost in size. So don't even try to do try to maintain the exact size, but maintain almost in size. So I have pasted. Don't use too much of gum, little gum is enough to paste. So now we will do our next shapes, that is smaller than our previous one. So here I am going to show you. First you have to measure. So I am using the paper, it is already used for making another craft. So you can see my paper is already used, so I need very small, so I can use this paper. Even if you have an old paper in your house, you can use that. So here you can see this much is needed. So this way also you can do. There is one more process I'm showing so that you can make your square. So just fold it. This way also you can make a square, but it is big enough. You can see it is big enough, so no mind. First you tear out. Yes, this shape is very bigger. Now you have to make the smaller. What you will do, just fold it from a corner this way. Now you have to cut from both sides. You can see that triangle shapes. You can see after folding it is looking like a triangle, these shapes. Now you open it. This is the square shape. It is almost in size, so we can paste it. So this way also you can cut out your square if you have a rough paper that is already used in your home. So that paper also you can use to take out your square shapes. And in the middle of both the square I have kept space. We will do something with our sketch pen, and some lines are there, so I am just erasing so that after completing my craft the line will not disturb our eyes. So I have cleaned. Now I am choosing blue color. You can choose whatever color you feel like. Here will be more small. So once again, this is a rough paper. So from a corner you can cut out a rectangle shapes. You can see, because we learned already that if you want to make a square shapes, we have to first understand how to make a rectangle shape. So this is the rectangle shapes. Fold it the way I have shown you how to make the square shape. We have to fold it from the one corner diagonally, then we have to cut it. So it looks like a triangle. It is folded actually. The moment you will open, you can see the square shapes. Now you will paste it. Again you will leave a small gap among all the circles, among all the squares. So this is the gap. Now we have to make the roof. So I have taken a green paper, very small I needed. So take an idea from your design. First I am cutting a rectangle shapes, because from rectangles you can make a square, or from square you can make a triangle. So look, this way we learned how to make the square. The same process we are applying, same process. So just you need to cut this. You can see this is the triangle shape, right? But if you are opening, it is square. So we have to cut this. We have to cut this from the middle. Then we will get a triangle shape. We all the shapes learned in our previous video. So go and watch that video if you have any confusion. But now this is looking little bigger. It is going out of our paper. So look, we have to make it little smaller. So look carefully how I am doing. If you face this kind of problem, what you can do, just cut it little from the bottom, and you can see your shape is getting smaller. Now it is fitted nicely. So we are going to paste it. little gum. So look, isn't it looking interesting? Now at the bottom there is a rectangle shapes. This shapes is looking like a scale, like your scale. So you can see we have to tear out just from one corner of our paper. Now you can see this size is enough, but you have to, this is long, so you have to cut it. So left and right, both the sides if you cut, you can get an exact size. So this way it will be pasted. So take your scissor and cut both the sides. Now it is almost in size. I told before also, repeatedly I'm telling, your shape should be almost in size, not exact in size. Don't even try, because that is not important over here. And don't put your finger in the gum, otherwise your hand will be dirty and you will face difficulty to work with that gum smeared hand. So avoid gum to touch with your finger. So here is this much for our part 1 video. I am coming with a part 2 video where I will show you the wheel making and the designing with a sketch pen. Now is your turn, you should start making. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.